Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. An introductory guide to Fix protocol, building a simple fix engine. This tutorial provides a comprehensive introduction to the Financial Information Exchange, FIX, protocol, its core concepts, message structure, and how to build a basic fix engine using Python. We'll cover essential topics like session establishment, message encoding, data dictionaries, and handling common message types. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a foundational understanding of FIX and be able to build a simple FIX client or server capable of communicating with other FIX compliant systems. What is FIX protocol? The Financial Information Exchange, FIX, protocol is an industry-standard electronic communications protocol developed specifically for the real-time exchange of securities transactions and related information. It aims to standardize communication between financial institutions and provide a common language for trading. It allows trading partners, brokers, exchanges, institutional investors, and vendors, to connect their trading applications and automate the trading process. Key benefits of FIX **** standardization * provides a uniform message structure and communication method, reducing integration complexity. * efficiency * enables fast and reliable message exchange, essential for real-time trading. Automation automates the order management life cycle, from order placement to execution. Flexibility can be adapted to various trading scenarios and asset classes. Connectivity facilitates seamless connectivity between diverse trading systems. 2. Core FIX concepts ***. 1. FIX sessions ***. A FIX session represents a durable, bidirectional connection between two parties, known as initiator and acceptor. Initiator * the party that initiates the connection. Typically, a client connecting to a broker. Acceptor * the party that accepts the connection. Typically, a broker or exchange. 2. Message structure * FIX messages are composed of tag value pairs separated by the start of header, so, character, ASCII 0x01, often represented as $A. Each message contains header * contains essential routing and session management information. Body * contains the business level information relevant to the message, example order details, execution reports. Trailer * contains the checksum, tag 10, ensuring message integrity. 3. Tags and values * FIX utilizes numerical tags to identify specific fields within a message. These tags are standardized and defined in the FIX data dictionary. Each tag is associated with a corresponding value. Example, tag equals value, example 11 equals ABC 123, 11 is the tag for CL ord ID, and ABC 123 is the client order ID. 4. Message types * FIX defines various message types for different purposes. Some common examples include heartbeat, message type equals 0 used to maintain session connectivity and detect communication failures. Logon, message type equals A used to establish a FIX session. Logout, message type equals 5 used to terminate a FIX session. New order, single, message type equals D used to submit a new order. Execution report, message type equals 8 used to report the status of an order execution. Order cancel request, message type equals F used to request the cancellation of an order. Order cancel / replace request, message type equals G used to modify an existing order. 5. Sequence numbers, sec number. Each FIX message is assigned a sequence number. These numbers are used to ensure message delivery, detect message loss, and prevent replay attacks. The initiator and acceptor each maintain separate sequence number counters. 6. Data dictionary *. The FIX data dictionary is a critical component of the FIX protocol. It defines the meaning of each tag, its allowed values, and its usage within different message types. The data dictionary is essential for encoding and decoding FIX messages. Common data dictionaries are available based on the FIX protocol version, example FIX 4.2, FIX 4.4, FIX 5.0. 3. Building a simple FIX engine with Python ***. We'll create a rudimentary FIX engine, both initiator and acceptor, in Python to demonstrate the core concepts. We will be using a simplified approach for demonstration. For a more robust implementation, consider using a mature FIX engine library like QuickFix/J, QuickFix/N or FIX Parser. Using pre-built libraries handles complexities like message sequencing, retransmission, and session management. 1. Prerequisites ****. Python 3.6 or higher. Basic understanding of socket programming. 2. Code structure ***. We'll create 2 Python scripts. ***fix_initiator.py represents the FIX client, initiator. ***fix_acceptor.py represents the FIX server, acceptor. 3. Data dictionary, simplified. For simplicity, we'll define a minimal dictionary representing common tags and their meanings. In a real-world scenario, you'd use a complete FIX data dictionary, often in XML format, provided by FIX Protocol Limited. 4. Utility functions ***. We'll define helper functions for encoding, decoding, and calculating checksums. 5. Fix_acceptor.py, FIX server. 6. Fix_initiator.py, FIX client. 7. Fix_utils.py, utility functions and data dictionary. 8. How to run ***. 1. Save the code into 3 separate files, fix_acceptor.py, fix_initiator.py, and fix_utils.py. 2. Run acceptor ** open a terminal and run the acceptor, server Python fix_acceptor.py. 3. Run initiator * open a second terminal and run the initiator, client Python fix_initiator.py. 9. Explanation ***. Fix_acceptor.py, acceptor. Listens for connections on a specified port. Handles incoming client connections in a separate thread. Sends a logon message upon connection. Receives and processes messages from the client. Responds to logon, heartbeat, and new order messages. Sends execution reports for simulated order executions. Closes the connection when a logout message is received or a timeout occurs. Fix_initiator.py, initiator. Connects to the acceptor on the specified host and port. Sends a logon message to initiate the session. Receives and processes messages from the acceptor, including logon responses and execution reports. Sends a new order single message to place a simulated order. Handles heartbeat messages. Closes the connection gracefully. Fix_utils.py contains utility functions for encoding and decoding FIX messages. Defines a simplified data dictionary for common FIX tags. Includes a checksum calculation function. Asterisk session establishment, logon. The initiator sends a logon, message type equals a message to the acceptor. The acceptor responds with a logon message, indicating successful session establishment. Asterisk message sequencing. Asterisk both initiator and acceptor maintain sequence numbers. The get_next_sequence_number functions increment the sequence number for each outgoing message. Asterisk heartbeats. Asterisk the acceptor sends heartbeat messages periodically to ensure the connection remains active. The initiator monitors for heartbeats and closes the connection if it doesn't receive one within a specified timeout. Asterisk new order and execution report. Asterisk the initiator sends a new order single, message type equals D, message. The acceptor simulates the execution of the order and sends an execution report, message type equals 8, back to the initiator. 4. Key improvements and considerations. Asterisk. The provided code is a simplified example. For a production-ready fix engine, consider the following. 1. Use a robust fix engine library. Asterisk libraries like QuickFix/J, QuickFix/N, or Fix Parser handle much of the complexity of fix protocol implementation, session management, message sequencing, retransmission, gap filling, etc. 2. Implement proper session management. Asterisk handle sequence number gaps, retransmission requests, and session recovery procedures. 3. Full data dictionary. Asterisk utilize a complete fixed data dictionary, usually in XML format, for accurate message validation and encoding/decoding. 4. Error handling. Asterisk implement comprehensive error handling and logging for all components of the engine. 5. Threading. Asterisk use proper threading mechanisms to handle concurrent connections and message processing. 6. Configuration. Asterisk externalize configuration parameters, host, port, sender comp ID, target comp ID, heartbeat interval, into a configuration file. 7. Security. Asterisk implement appropriate security measures, such as TLS/SSL encryption and authentication. 8. Message persistence. Asterisk store incoming and outgoing messages for auditing and recovery purposes. 9. Gap filling. Asterisk implement logic to request retransmission of missed messages based on sequence number gaps. 10. Testing. Asterisk thoroughly test your fix engine against a fix simulator or test environment. V example output. Asterisk fix_acceptor.py, acceptor. Fix_initiator.py, initiator. Connected to fix acceptor on 127.0.0.1:9876. Sent, 8 equals fix.4.29 equals 161.35 equals A49 equals initiator 56 equals acceptor 34 equals 152 equals 2023107-15:30:2598 equals 0108 equals 3010 equals 059. Received logon response. Sent, 8 equals fix.4.29 equals 227.35 equals D49 equals initiator 56 equals acceptor 34 equals 252 equals 2023107-15:30:2711 equals ORD 16984110271 equals ACCT 12340 equals 254 equals 155 equals MSFT 38 equals 144 equals 250.510 equals 154. Sent.